Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access App menu, click on the search bar and type in File. Then click on File Manager app in order to open it, and select category over here next to Recents. Then you need to click on Downloads folder next to Favorites and tap on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are located here. In order to access one, you need to tap on it and tap on Just Once or Always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!